Well, welcome to our channel. Any particular website, how we can submit XML file on your Google Search Console option. What is the main purpose? How many pages index and index count, everything we can given by the Google Search Console. Open your particular website. This is showing for sitemap files. Go to Google Search Console. That option name is called right side in the column, left side in the column, sitemaps. Right now, I'm not reading for the sitemap file. How to submit? Here, sitemaps.xml. Simple one. Sitemap.xml. Click for submit. Total, how many links you have? Everything displayed by the in this option. Total, we are submit URL will be 9 URL. We can display by the in a particular Google Search Console option. Every day when you're uploading sitemap, immediately you can update by the sitemap files will be here. This is a compulsory mandatory file to the each and every website. If any questions you any have facing problem, there is a two things. Your problem not done by robo.txt file. Second thing will be XML sitemap issue. That you can fix everything will be robo.txt file to download the file option. So this is the method you can submit XML sitemap on your particular website. Every time you can update this file, go to sitemaps, here after extension, sitemap.xml. Daily submission compulsory important. Follow this method and use the particular website to indexing purpose. Any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.